All right, good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. It is the Crypto Flight Edition. Yes, fellow compadre speaking. Quick update on the Bitcoin price, guys. It looks like Bitcoin has done a successful close on the weekly candles. If you're new, we're going to explore some levels that we previously took a look at. Kind of a repetitive video, so no real new information, but let's just do our update here every so often, every week, every other week. So let's do it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around. I'm loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's August this 18th, 2024, and the current price of Bitcoin, $58,734 and fluctuating, slightly negative 1.8% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see here. So, all right, so just a quick backtrack. If you're new, this is the levels that we were taking a look at on our last video post. It was about 2 weeks ago. We're doing updates ever so often. We were a little concerned with the price gestures and how fast the Bitcoin price was going down, but we did say let's just wait for the weekly to close, and it appears, if you're looking on the screen, that was an active weekly candle, that red candle going towards that 51.1. I don't think it had reached 51.1 at the time, but it appears that the buyers are here. That's right, the market is down, guys, and now I'm saying that this is bullish. All right, this is all prep work for the price to rip to the upside. Now, don't expect the price to rip tomorrow in 2 minutes after I post this video. We still must give the Bitcoin price some time to consolidate and just shake off the weak hands here. I do think that all of this consolidating currently right now, although on one of our previous video posts, let me just kind of pull up the level here. I don't want to sound like I'm saying that I'm correct all the time. So this is the last kind of box, the range that we were taking a look at. And I do think it's obvious that the lower portion, kind of the prices kind of slipped at the lower portion of the range down here. So it's kind of like below where we were expecting it for it to bounce around. So right now it's below that range. But I mean, we're just kind of picking and choosing at this point. The bottom line is this: Bitcoin is above the previous resistance level. Yes. All right. So any price action that is taking place above the previous level of resistance, which is at about $44,000, this is all prep work for the price to move higher. So if we kind of back out and you just kind of take a look at the overall picture, dating as far back as about December 2020 in this little area here. So we can take all of this price action into consideration. Why, one may ask, is because it's just kind of, it's bouncing up, bouncing down, up, right? It's just, this is all relative to the price action not going straight down, right, and just continuing lower. The overall price in Bitcoin is, the trajectory is to the upside. Okay, so all these fluctuations up, down, 50,000, 40,000. I know the bulls are like, dude, it's never going to 40,000. I don't know, guys. I'm just buying Bitcoin on autopilot, so it doesn't matter to me one way or the other. But let's stay on track. The Bitcoin price is just in this very gigantic, was that redundant? Not really. It's in a gigantic, it was kind of redundant. It's in a gigantic holding pattern, all right, consolidating pattern. So until it gets out of this consolidating pattern and make new highs, and that's when we can just say, okay, the Bitcoin price is likely going to, it's gonna be such an aggressive move, and I do think it'll happen relatively quick. Let's just say within like a few weeks. I'm not saying it's going to happen now. What I'm saying is when the breakout happens. This is just all consolidating. Okay, so hopefully we're clear about that. All right. So let's just give the price action some time to bounce around, stay above 57.1. I guess the one level that I'll leave you guys out with on the last post, it was 51.1, right? That was the level, kind of as a worst case scenario. And the 57.1 was the level we wanted it to close above. And that is the level it closed above. So that's fantastic. So we're on track. The market is bullish, guys. This is so bullish. I don't think people truly understand how bullish this is. This is just prep work for a rip to the upside. All right, so just hang on to your horses there. Get the price action time. Everything looks good. Still on track. 57.1. That's the level. That sums up the entire video, guys. Pardon me. Excuse me. So weekly candles closing above 51.1. With the exception of this little range that it kind of broke out of, it's fine. 57.1. That's the only level. All right. Hopefully that video was useful. I don't know. I'm gonna try to come in every 2 weeks, but I don't really know what to say that's new. You know, we just look at the price. So let's hang tight, guys. Let's stay on track and mark your calendar or chart rather with that one level, 57.1. All right, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So if you don't mind, do me a huge favor before you go by simply leaving an appropriate thumb. I'd appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys are new, we also explored the traditional stocks from time to time. You can kind of join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.